To copy USDT ERC20 on OKX, start by logging into your OKX account and navigating to the Wallet section. Here you will find all your available assets, including USDT ERC20. First, ensure you have USDT ERC20 in your OKX wallet. If not, you will need to deposit some. To do this, click on the deposit button next to USDT ERC20 and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit process. Once you have USDT ERC20 in your wallet, click on the copy address button next to the USDT ERC20 asset. This will copy the address to your clipboard. Next, go to the platform where you want to use the USDT ERC20 address, such as a decentralized application or another exchange, and paste the address into the required field. It is essential to note that USDT ERC20 is a specific version of the USDT token that runs on the Ethereum blockchain, so ensure the platform you are sending it to supports USDT ERC20. Additionally, be aware of the network fees associated with transferring USDT ERC20, as these can vary depending on the current state of the Ethereum blockchain. To minimize fees, consider transferring USDT ERC20 during periods of low network congestion. It is also crucial to double-check the address before sending any assets to avoid losing your funds. By following these steps, you can easily copy your USDT ERC20 address on OKX and use it to interact with other platforms and applications that support this asset. Remember to always prioritize the security of your assets and follow best practices when handling cryptocurrency transactions.